In this video, this is going to be a quick video. Some tools I bought from ALDI and Parkside that I forgot to show you, and I wanted to show you now so you can get them if you want to. Hello, sheddies, and you join me again in my shed. By the way, I had to keep my voice down on this video. It was late at night. Right, first thing I've got, Parkside Irrigation Kit. Let me just zoom out a bit. Whoop. When I've shown you these tools, we'll have a quick look round ALDI, because there is a few new tools in there. As you might remember, I did a video on the timer for my tap. The electrical timer works really well. I wasn't going to specifically use it for the lawn. It was going to be for watering plants. So when I saw this for £12.99, didn't think it was bad. Thought I've got to give it a try. Irrigation kit, perfect from the patio, balcony, or in the garden. Maximum 30 metres. Maximum plant 35 metres. 80p set. 35 inline drippers. For watering vegetable gardens, flower beds, or potted plants. Well, I was going to use these for baskets as well around the sort of decking area. As you can see there, drip, drip. Everything we get with it. Connector pieces, shut-off valves, 25 stakes, 5 reducers, 7 seating plugs, tap connector, and the pipe. You can see there an example of it, how it's set up. Nice little vegetable patch there. Vegetables, looks like vegetables. So what do we get? Can be combined with a programmable watering timer, what I've got. Don't know if I trust it while I'm on holiday. Contains 1 tap connector with pressure regulation, 3 connecting pieces 13mm, 5 reducers 13mm, and 4.6mm, 7 sealing plugs 13mm and 4.6mm, 2 shut-off valves 4.6mm, 35 line drip heads, 25 pipe holders, 2 pipes of 15 metres. Those can be cut to required length, easy to assemble and alter, with tap connection and adapter for connecting all standard external water taps, expandable with other drip irrigation systems. Let's have a look. Yeah, 2 diameters of pipe. They're the drip connectors, look like them. Stakes and the tap connector. Instructions. Now, I'm not going to set this up today. I'm going to see what we get. You have your main tap coming in there, bit of pipe, elbow connector, then into a T-piece connector, stake to hold it in place, and a tap. So you've got 1 line running off there, dripping, and you can tap that off. Is that an end cap? So any sort of combination for whatever your requirements are. Let's have a look at these though. Let me just zoom in. Boop. Stakes. There we go. Gripping onto the pipe and then staking into the ground. Like a 5 of them. All these drip connectors, up 13 quid isn't bad. Yeah, look at bag full. I think there's 35 of these. It's a drip connector. Full bag of them. What's these? Ooh, T-piece with some elbows in there. Oh, that's like an end cap by the looks of it. Is that an end cap? Looks like it. So that's the T-piece. This is for the smaller diameter pipe. So unwind that. Slide him over first. Slot that over the end. Tighten him up. And away. So we just cut this to length, whatever we need, really. That's why I'm not really going to demonstrate it, because I haven't set it all up yet. I don't want to waste any. Here's what else we got in there. So, main pipe run. Let's say we come to T-piece there. I'm going to do it first. Slot him over there. Oh, put that on first, of course. There we are, over the top. Shove him on there. That's easy enough. Tighten that up. You can have another piece of this coming off from there. And then this are these runs here. Would be that pipe. Put the cap on first, of course. Slide that over and then do a run. Where's the valves? Oh yeah, there they are. They're dinky, aren't they? So at the end of this is too bad a price. I mean, obviously I've not used it yet. So that'll connect onto there. There's a valve cut off. Isolate that run. Yeah, and these are the end caps. These are the drippers, or are they just connectors? Fitting on that end. Let's see where the water comes out. I suppose you adjust that. I don't know where it drips from. Be good to try this, wouldn't it? I just thought I'd show you and it all makes sense, but yeah. So that's a dripper. Elbows We've got the little stakes as well for the small pipe. Massive bag of those. And here's the tap connector. Like that. Yeah, just a normal push fit connector. And then goes into the connector for the main bigger pipe. So yeah, hours of fun with that once we set it up. I'll take you along with me when I do set it all up. But I just thought I'd show you out the box in case you wanted to buy a pack. 13 quid. Next. Oh, probably shouldn't have done that. Now I got this from ALDI Ferrex drill bit sharpener. It was only £3.99, so I thought it's worth a whirl. Sharpens HSS drill bits, 3.5 to 10 mil, suitable for power drills with 43 mil collar and a 13 mil chuck. Includes 2 grinding wheels, maximum operation speed, 5,000 RPM, attachment, and there's whatever. Not much else to it. Let's have a look. As a lot of you know, I've actually got a Ferrex drill bit and knife sharpener. Not the best thing in the world. Ah, it's the grinding wheel. And there it is, look at that. Interesting. Slots for all the drill bits. Get the instructions. Pull the plug of the drill out of the socket. Close the drill chuck. Do not tighten it too much. Loosen the wing nuts. Blah, 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 blah. Let's just have a go. That slides off there. That could, what's happening there then? Spring loaded. Right then, playing around with this, I realised how it works. I haven't got a drill to be able to demonstrate it, which is a shame. But this part here needs to go over a drill with a shaft. There is, what did I say it was? Or a fixed bit, a 43 mil collar. So before the chuck, 43 mil collar. That slides over there. Let me show you on this cordless drill, this old one. So if that's wound all the way out like that, which you need it to be, then that plastic bit there should slide over here. You need a mains drill to be able to do that. One of the old ones, I think. Certainly won't fit over this one. It won't even get over the chuck. So imagine this is a corded drill or a mains drill. That slides over the plastic body of the drill, clamps up, and then this part goes into it. And there's like a key fit there. Yeah, you can see there's a groove that it slides into. And then that part there, I've never seen this before. I wonder if any of you have. It there sits into that sort of rubber bung at the end there, and it's friction fed alone. So, oh, it's turning it without it. Oh, so you can actually use one of these. You can see the grinding disc going round actually, look. Sprung loaded. I suppose we could clamp this up somehow and put some pressure on there. And that's the whole point of having this collar over there, so you don't have to put pressure on and hold it and then hold the drill and everything at once. That is a spare grinding wheel. Yeah, you can see it's spinning round, look. So those grinding discs must be sprung loaded as well. What you do, drill bit, whatever size it is, you can see all the sizes around the outside. Yeah, I know I shouldn't be wearing these gloves. Oh yeah, it's putting a bit of an edge on it. Yeah, you get the idea. I think oh yeah, look, it's taking a bit off. I think it's angled at such a point. Is it a gimmick? I don't know. Let me know in the comments below. I think you get the rough idea of it. I think I've explained it right. Let me know below. Next. Again, at Aldi, they had the paintbrushes offer, £1.99. Professional paintbrush sets, 3-piece. But I quite liked, if you know, I always stock up on paintbrushes. But these ones by DecoCraft, flat brush with angle bristles, triangular brushes with angle bristles, and one square brush with angle bristles, especially for corners, angles, and precise cutting in. Now, I like the look of these from what I could see from inside the packaging. Out you come. Nice wooden handles, but look at them. I've never used these before. I've never used any like this before. Triangular shaped, as you can see. And with a point there as well. Really soft bristles. That one as well. Bit of an angle. Bit of a flat top. A square one. Look at that. Again with a bit of an angle. It's all the paintbrush styles as well. But I thought I'd get them for the price. Next. Right, let's have a look around Aldi at the tools that I don't think I've shown you before. First I needed a bag of spuds. And here's all the sensors we saw in the brochure last time. At £10 each. Ferrex moisture meter and distance measurer. And there's this toolkit. 25p kit for a new starter in DIY. One in a brush set for £4, and also £4, there's the drill bit sharpener. The pressure washer for 50 quid, and I think that's the one that's about 110 bar. £13 for masonry paint. We've got cream, white and grey. And there's the brush sets, different styles. Cable ties, 3 quid a pack. And this paint, look, 5 quid, gold, marble, silver, chrome. Masking tape, £9 for this interior wood stain by Deco. Super glue pack, £2.70. £4 for this seal assortment set and O-rings. 20 quid for this set of steps. I've got them already actually, and I got them on the deal when they were 15 quid. They're not bad actually. Fishing gear, which we saw at Parkside as well, and this is what we wanted to look at for £7, £6.99. This bag with little boxes inside, compartment boxes. I think they'll be good for other uses as well as fishing, screws, etc. £7.50 for this bug zapper. Lawn edging. A yellow lantern bug zapper. Some heads. Some planters. A load of garden lighting. Look at this. A kettle pourer. A kettle tipper. There we go. And loads of other stuff that I've shown you before. But also the cordless chainsaw and the 5-inch grinder. I've got one of them. Cordless. And then the cordless recip saw. There we go. There's the chainsaw. 40 volt. 50 quid. Batteries, £15. They're the 2 amp hour, 20 volt. And then this screwdriver set. Pretty much like the Parkside one. But look at this. Helping hands with a magnifying glass. £3.50. And a load of other stuff. Right, back to the shed. So like I said, quite a short video. Got a lot on this week. So I thought I'd get this one out before I forget. As we know, Parkside are bringing tools out on the 15th of June. Nibbler, that's one of them. Oh, and the bandsaw, the cordless one. And someone said in the comments, I think, that it's hard to get the blades for them. I think you have to get them from Germany. But I haven't looked into it properly, so do your research before you buy one. I'll put a link on the screen now to all my other tool reviews. If you're new here, subscribe. I've got loads more videos to come. And that's about it. So thanks for watching. Take care. And remember, keep calm and head to the shed. Cheers! See you next time on Weekend Shedhead.